So I pray to God, a nigga don't trip and make me do it. He know the flavor, the slime will make you drip fluid. Purdy Lane, on sunny days it rains. I wear the crown on my feet, I wear great days. Great pains will open up my favorite proverbs. It does. Fake brains will disperse whenever I burst. Airplanes can't reach the heights where I would. Champagne spills over, nigga, we toast to life. I right my wrongs, then I right my rights, the poltergeist. I pull the trigger, nigga. Nigga, you see the light. It can get messy, right? It can get messy, right? Dump in the slump, I'm right. Dump in the slump, I'm on side. You know the deal, we pray to God, but the evil in us. Conversations in the mind turn to fucking killers. They try to trap me, but that chapter get cut out like scissors. We get the paper, nigga. We get the paper, then we stack it like that snow in winter. Donuts in the fucking sprinter, hog tie, you see the river.
It's a process. It doesn't happen overnight. When you depersonalize another person and view them as just an object for pleasure instead of a living, breathing human being.
I be on the mic, straight ODing, nigga. So I be on the mic, straight ODing, nigga. So I be on the mic, straight ODing, nigga. Straight ODing, nigga.
When you killed these men, afterwards, were you repulsed? Were you upset?
No, at the time, it was almost addictive. It was almost a surge of energy.